the LG V20 user here, and today I'm doing a video on the LG V40 ThinQ Verizon Prepaid. So Verizon Prepaid now has the V40 ThinQ, so that is awesome. So that's the phone right there in front of you. I'm not a fan of the notch on this phone. I'm just not really a fan of it. I do like the wallpaper though; it's colorful and all that. So the V40 ThinQ is available in two colors here. You guys have Moroccan blue there and Aurora black there, right? And 64 gigs is the only storage option available. And the LG V40 ThinQ is $999.99 at Verizon Prepaid. So yeah. So this one's been out a couple weeks now, I think, and Verizon Prepaid just got it recently. So yeah, that's shout out to them for that. So that's front of the phone right there. You guys got dual cameras on front, earpiece, that notch of course. You guys got the screen there. Has a power button on the right side, volume button on the left side, and your Google Assistant key also on the left side as well. And that's front of it again. I'm not a fan of the blue phone. I'm just not a fan of blue. I'm just not really a fan of a blue phone. Just not a fan of them. That's just my opinion. I think black looks better here. You guys got the left here, volume button, and your Google Assistant key right there. The camera does stick out just a bit there, so keep it in mind. The back of the LG V40, you guys got 3 cameras on back. Wow. Camera flash, fingerprint sensor, V40 logo, and your LG logo, and whatnot. So each lens do different things. So yeah, this phone has 5 cameras on it, 3 in the back, 2 in the front. So yeah, that's the back of it. It looks better in black in my opinion. I will show you guys that in blue here in just a second. I'll show you guys that in blue. So the right side of the phone, you guys got a power button and your SIM tray right there on the right side. The battery is not removable, and I will show you guys this phone in blue. Alright, there it is in blue there. It's kind of hard to see right here in this picture, but it is blue there. There's the left side. I mean, right side. Yeah, right side. This is the back of it there. I'm just not a fan of blue, because you all have like that black circle, and you'll have your black circle on the back, man. I'm just not a fan of it, man. I'm just not a fan of a blue phone. I'm just not a fan of it. But it's available if you guys want to get it, you know. So it says here, with a 5 camera system, smart enough to expect the unexpected, the LG V40 ThinQ Prepaid is one of a kind smartphone perfect for capturing life's special moments, fitting more of your surroundings with the super wide angle lens. Get closer to your subject with the telephoto zoom lens. Take clear, bright pictures with sharp detail and vivid color, even in low light. Using the standard lens, or animate select parts of your photos with scenes shot for truly unique cinematic creations. The LG V40 ThinQ brings advanced photography tools to your fingertips, including automatic positioning, artistic blur, and lighting effects, and a live preview from 3 different camera angles, and you can unleash its full potential with the consistency, fast speeds of the nation's largest and most reliable 4G LTE network. Alright? So the LG V40 has 17.2 days of standby time. Usage time is 40.14 hours. 16 megapixel camera on the back. I think one of them is 12 megapixels. The width is 2.98 inches. The height is 6.25 inches height there. The 5 camera phone. So what the hell do you guys call a 5 camera phone? I have no idea. But it's just pretty interesting, if you ask me. Get an entire suite. Get an entire suite's worth of photography options right at your fingertips. Pick the right camera for the occasion with standard, telephoto, and super wide angle. So one camera. So they're talking about the back camera here. One camera is the telephoto camera. One of them is a standard camera, and the other one is a wide angle camera. And I don't know what lens it is. So don't even ask. Alright, just don't ask me. Alright. One click, 3 photos. Capture more of the moment with one click. You can get 3 different perspectives: standard, 2x zoom, and super wide angle, all at the same time. Selfie mode. Selfies made simple. Take your best shot with 2 front-facing cameras. Capture awesome selfies on the standard angle camera, and then switch to wide angle camera to get everyone in the frame for a giant group shot. Stay in focus. Draw attention to your subject by artfully blurring the background or adjusting the lighting using advanced studio lighting effects. Bring photos to life. Animate the brain in an otherwise still photo, or dazzle friends and family with bursting fireworks above a motionless ocean tide. Scene shot blurs the line between image and video, letting you choose what part of your pictures you bring to life. Put more on display. Experience award-winning OLED TV technology on LG's largest smartphone screen to date. Play games, watch movies, and browse the web on a stunning 6.4-inch full-vision display. The LG V40 ThinQ offers premium big screen entertainment on a lightweight, easy to use, easy to hold device. Alright. Preview 3 angles at once. Pick your best angle. A live preview lets you compare shots from all 3 rear cameras, letting you choose the best lens for your scene. Smarter photos. Add an artistic touch to your pictures. The LG V40 ThinQ automatically edits the position of your subject for improved balance and composition. Turn up the bass. Give your audio experience an upgrade with a powerful boombox speaker. Fill the entire room with deep bass and crisp, pulse-pounding sound. Alright. So what you guys get in the box is you guys get the LG V40, pre-installed SIM card, 3,300 mAh battery, it's not removable, driver adapter and USB cable, quick reference guide, and product safety and warranty brochure. The specs on the LG V40 is LTE Advanced with 50% faster peak speeds and more than 450 stations coast to coast. It's a world device which you guys can use it in over 200 countries depending on your plan. Standby time is 17.2 days. Usage time 40.14 hours. Camera 16 megapixels on the back, 8 megapixel front facing camera. The width of the phone is 2.98 inches. The weight is 5.96 ounces. The height 6.25 inches. The screen size of the LG V40 is 6.4 inches. Quad HD Plus OLED Full Vision. 3,300 mAh battery. Android 8.1 Oreo. Internal storage 64 GB of ROM and 6 GB of RAM. Graphics cards are up to 2 TB. Available in 2 colors of War Black or Moroccan Blue. It has your SAR ratings, the HNA network, and all of that. Wi-Fi 802.11 ABG and NAC. 2.8 GHz octa-core Snapdragon 845. It also has HC voice, HC voice, video calling, and simultaneous voice and data. Enable Wi-Fi calling and make calls anywhere you have a Wi-Fi connection. If you guys need help with your LG V40, Verizon is here to help with that with device support, and you guys can get help on features and settings of the V40. So check that out with device support from Verizon. So there it is, guys. The LG V40 ThinQ is not available at Verizon Prepaid. The main selling point about this phone is its cameras. Dude, there's 5 cameras on this phone. So yeah, this phone has a lot of camera features in it, 5 cameras, 5 times the phone, you know what I'm saying? So yeah, that is guys, it LG V40 ThinQ at Verizon Prepaid for $979.99, available in 2 colors, Moroccan blue or over black. So if you guys enjoyed this video, give me a thumbs up guys, it really helps me out a lot. Peace, rate, comment, subscribe. Thank you very much for watching my video, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace out.